Dear students, welcome to the lecture series on partial differentiation. This is third lecture on partial differentiation, and in the first lecture I have introduced you what is partial differentiation. ఇందులో మనం పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆర్ పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం అంటే ఆర్డినరీ డెరివేటివ్ ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం అలాగే పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాం. అదేవిధంగా సెకండ్ లెక్చర్ పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ 1 అనే లెక్చర్లో ఒక ఫంక్షన్కి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ పార్షియల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చో చూసాం. Now we will see some problems on partial differentiation so that you will be familiarized with this concept. Okay. The main purpose of these lectures అంటే ఈ లెక్చర్ సిరీస్ చేయడంలో నా మెయిన్ పర్పస్ ఏంటంటే మీకు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ బిఎస్సిలో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అనేవి కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి పార్షియల్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అనేది చాలా మెయిన్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి let us continue with this lecture series. Let us start with a simple problem. Suppose u is equal to e power x cos y and v is equal to e power y sin x. Okay. Now, can you find dou u by dou x? What is dou u by dou x? So, what is it? As I said earlier, you are differentiating u partially with respect to x. First, notice that u is a function of x and y. U is a function of x and y. That is, u is in terms of x and y. Okay. Similarly, v is also a function of x and y. So v is also in terms of x. Now, when you find dou u by dou x, that means differentiate u partially with respect to x. What you have to do? You have to treat y terms as constant. Means what? Cos y is constant. So what to do? Cos y is a constant and you have to differentiate only x term, that is e power x. Now the derivative formulas are as usual as in the ordinary differentiation. So cos y into what is derivative of e power x? E power x. So ultimately what you got is e power x cos y. That means what? Dou u by dou x value is u itself. Okay. Similarly, if you find dou v by dou x is equal to, so what is dou v by dou x? Again, dou by dou x of v. What is v? E power y sin x. Now, as we are differentiating partially with respect to x, the y term, that is e power y, is constant. So write it outside and simply differentiate sin x. Okay. So e power y, what is derivative of sin x? That is cos x. So this is dou v by dou x. Okay. This is a simple example to recollect the basics of partial differentiation. Let us see one more problem. Now see this problem. U is equal to 2x y power 4 e power y plus 2x y cube. And you have to find dou u by dou x and dou u by dou y. Okay, let us start with dou u by dou x. As usual, when you differentiate u partially with respect to x, okay, you have to treat all the y terms constant. Okay, so what are the y terms in u? So here y power 4 e power y and y cube are constants along with the 2. అంటే 2 ఎలాగో y power 4 e power y కూడా అలాగే. కాబట్టి వాటిని బయటికి తీసేయండి. 2 y power 4 e power y into only differentiate x, because ఆల్రెడీ 2 కూడా ఇక్కడ రాసేసాం. ఇంకా సెకండ్ టర్మ్లో 2y cube is also constant and only differentiate x, right? So this is equal to 2y power 4 e power y, derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus 2y cube, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So ultimately what you got is 2y power 4 e power y plus 2y cube. This is dou u by dou x. Okay. Now what is dou u by dou y? Let us find dou u by dou y. What is it? Dou by dou y of, what is u? 2x y power 4 e power y plus 2x y cube. Okay. And now again you are differentiating partially with respect to y. So all the x terms and numbers are constants. So you can write it as 2x into dou by dou y of y power 4 e power y plus 2x into dou by dou y of y cube. Now if you see this, this is equal to 2x. Now see here, there are two terms, y power 4 and e power y, and they are multiplied together. So y power 4 into e power y. So what you have to do? Both are y terms and we are differentiating partially with respect to y. So you have to apply UV formula. I think you know UV formula. Derivative of u into v is equal to u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, same formula applied here, but this is, remember, this is partial differentiation, but same ordinary differentiation rules applies here. So let us continue. Now this is first, this is u and this is v. First differentiate y power 4, that is dou by dou y of y power 4 into e power y as it is, plus now y power 4 as it is and differentiate e power y. Okay, this is first part. And what is the second part? Plus 2x into derivative of y cube. So the formula 3 into y square, y cube derivative, and into x power n minus 1. Of course here in place of x we have y. Okay, so now this is equal to 2x into simple derivative of y power 4, that is 4y cube, into e power y plus y power 4, derivative of e power y is y power y, e power y plus 6xy square. So altogether what you got here is 8x y cube e power y plus 2x y power 4 e power y plus 6x y square is the value of dou u by dou y. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం అంటే ఇంతకుముందు జస్ట్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ పక్కన పెట్టి వైని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయడం, ఓకే, లేదా వై వాల్యూస్ని పక్కన పెట్టి ఎక్స్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయడం చేసాం. ఇప్పుడు కూడా అదే చేసాం, కానీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? ద డిఫరెన్స్ హియర్ ఈస్, ఓకే, ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ పక్కన పెట్టినప్పుడు మిగిలిన వై వాల్యూస్లో మళ్ళీ మనకి యూజువల్ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్ ఫార్ములాస్ అంటే ప్రొడక్ట్ రూల్ కానీ, లేదా ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా రావచ్చు, అంటే డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ యూ బై వి వచ్చేవి కూడా రావచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇలాంటివి వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం మామూలుగా ఆర్డినరీ డిఫరెన్సియేషన్ రూల్స్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ వాడతాం. సో దాన్ని మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటారనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. నౌ యూ డూ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. b is equal to x square y power 4 into e power y minus x square y square minus 3x. For this v, you find dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. Okay, this is a practice problem. Okay, solve it. We will solve some more complicated problems in the next lecture. Thank you.